Hey guys, it's Cody Hickman from 360 Catering and Events YouTube channel. So today I'm doing something for the Super Bowl party. I'm doing a little something different, something a little more southern. We like our pork rinds. And so I just fried up a bunch of pork rinds. All you gotta do is fry the pork rinds, get some pork skin, put it in your oven or fry it, and it comes right up salted immediately, and you're done. Or just go buy your favorite pork rind. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to call it barbecue pork rinds, and I'm going to add a little paprika. We got a little dry mustard, oregano, onion powder, salt and pepper. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt right now, a little bit of pepper, so I can always add to it. I can't take it away. So, and then a little stevia, liquid stevia. Combine those up a little bit. So I'm going to add some pork rinds in this one. Put a little bit on this. Kind of stir it up. You want to do this while they're nice and warm. You don't want to do this when they're cold. And what you can do is you can actually do this the day before if you want to. And the rest of my salt and pepper. I can just tell it needs more. But you can do this always the day before. And then put them in gallon bags or however you see fit. And they'll stay good for about 3 or 4 days. They won't get stale or anything. They're pork rinds, they're pretty resilient. Now we got this nice pork rind. That's gonna be good for the Super Bowl party. People are gonna love you for that one. Enjoy it.